A brief look at Laboratory Grille, Vent, and Register HVAC Testing. A short video featuring Dr. Kevin Linfield. ANSI ASHRAE Standard 70 details the method of testing the performance of air outlets and air inlets. It is used to define laboratory methods to test ducted and unducted systems for distribution and return of building air. It includes specifications for test instruments, facilities, installations, and procedures and methods of calculation for determining aerodynamic performance. Typical air inlets and outlets consist of grilles, registers, diffusers, vents, and slots. A good test system will feature a plenum with internal flow control devices to ensure smooth, even flow to the grill. The core velocity is measured by vane anemometers placed near the center of the register face, and the pressure loss is defined by the plenum pressure. Throw values are measured along a line normal to the center point of the grill face using a hot mandrel probe for 3 typical velocity levels, 50, 100, and 150 feet per minute. The system flow rate is measured with an ASHRAE flow tunnel, typically up to 1500 CFM. Results include assessment at face velocities ranging from 300 to 1400 feet per minute, measuring flow volume, pressure drop, and throw. Architects and builders often require the pressure drop through an element for HVAC sizing calculations. CFD simulations can also be used to assess the flow through registers, the balance of flow through duct systems, and the flow patterns within rooms. CFD can also be used to determine relative noise generation between 2 different register designs, which can be helpful during the product development process. For more information on modeling and testing, please contact Airflow Sciences. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.